Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Today I am discussing previous year question of a lie. Let's start with question number 42. Under which article of Indian Constitution can the speaker allow any member of the house to speak in his/her mother tongue? Option A, Article 110, B, Article 122, C, Article 121, D, Article 126. The correct answer option number C, Article 121. If I talk about Article 110, it deals with money will. Article 122, it deals with the code restrict the parliament proceeding, and Article 126, it deals with the appointment of Chief Justice of India. Question number 43. Match the followings. 1. 24th Amendment relates 1971. 31st Amendment relates 1973. 42nd Amendment relates 1976. 4. 52nd Amendment relates 1985. Choose the correct answer. Option A, all the pair are wrong. B, only 2 and 3 are correctly paired. C, all the correctly paired. D, only 1 and 4 are correctly paired. The correct answer option number C, all the correctly paired. Question number 44. Power of judicial review in India is enjoyed by whom? Option A, by the Supreme Court alone. B, by all the courts. C, by the Supreme Court and High Court. D, by none of the courts. The correct answer option number C, by the Supreme Court and High Court under Article 32 and High Court Article 226. Question number 45. Article 1 of the Constitution describe India as option A union of state, B, a quasi-federal state, C, a federation, D, a confederation. The correct answer option number A union of states, that is Bharat. Question number 46. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Option A, Abul Kalam Azad, B, Zakir Hussain, C, Maulana Muhammad Ali, D, Badruddin Tyabji. The correct answer option number D, Badruddin Tyabji. Question number 47. How many members were there in the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A, 689, B, 389, C, 580, D, none of the above. The correct answer option number B, 389. Question number 48. By which amendment education was made a subject in the concurrent list? Option A, 24th Amendment, B, 44th Amendment, C, 25th Amendment, D, 42nd Amendment. The correct answer option number D, 42nd Amendment, 1976, also known as Mini Constitution. Question number 49. New All India Services under Article 312 can be created by whom? Option A, Lok Sabha, B, Rajya Sabha, C, Parliament, D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option number B, Rajya Sabha. Question number 50. No tax can be levied or collected without the permission of option A, Lok Sabha, B, Council of Ministers, C, President, D, Parliament. The correct answer option number D, Parliament. Question number 51. Governor in the state holds the office during the pleasure of option A, Parliament, B, President, C, Prime Minister, D, Council of Ministers. The correct answer option number B, President. Question number 52. Judges of High Court can be appointed in consultation with option A, Governor of state concerned, B, Council of Ministers of the state, C, State Legislative Assembly, D, none of the above. The correct answer option number A, Governor of state concerned. Question number 53. By which article of the Constitution State Legislative Assembly Council can be created or abolished? Option A, Article 168, B, Article 170, C, Article 169, D, Article 171. The correct answer option number C, Article 169. Question number 54. How many members of State Legislative Council can be nominated by the Governor? Option A, half, B, 1/4, C, 1/3, D, 1/6. The correct answer option number D, 1/6. Question number 55. Who has been given power to fix the number of judges of Supreme Court? Option A, President, B, Parliament, C, Chief Justice of India, D, Council of Ministers. The correct answer option number B, Parliament. The total number of judges are presently 34. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share it. Thank you.